Hello and welcome to this new episode of my finished projects. In this video I'm going to show you this beautiful doily. Let me show you a close-up of the center. Look, the texture raised. The center is very raised. And let me show you the edgings. I don't have enough space in my camera to show you the complete project, but I have high quality photos in my Facebook page if you want to go and look it up. Look at let me show you the close-up on these details. Very talented designer. I don't work for the designer. She doesn't even know I exist. So this is not like an advertising for her parents. I just crochet what I like. And look at a lot of popcorn. Look at how the leaves have a raise in the middle. See, they're all from post, but here has a lot of details. And this is all popcorn. Very raised. It's not popcorn, but similar to popcorn. I forgot the name of the stitch. The edging doesn't have picots. Oh no, they're not picots. They look like picots, but they're not. And let me show you the reverse side. Okay, well, not much to see in the reverse. There it is, in case you like to make it. As I said, the name is Beregynia, from Tamara Ganzha. The name of the pattern is Beregynia, the designer Tamara Ganzha. In case you want to look it up on Ravelry, I bought it on Ravelry. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. Thank you for visiting and see you in my next video.